Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. Today's quick and review video, I'm going to show you guys my latest purchase, the Shadow Black series from Dalstrong knives. So I recently got this chef knife from Dalstrong, and this is an 8-inch chef knife which I purchased, and I got glued onto it straight away as I saw that carbon steel shadow black look onto it. Let me now unbox this for you and show you guys exactly what we've got installed. Alright, so here we've got our Shadow Black series package. So I've just got to start opening it up now and show you guys what we've got in here. So here we've got the Shadow Black series label and the Dalstrong logo here. Just down the bottom we've got the Shadow Black series chef knife. Turn on the side, here we've got the Shadow Black series chef knife. It also tells us what we got, and on the back of it tells you exactly and shows you what we've got. This amazing Dalstrong Black series chef knife. So here we've got our Dalstrong Shadow Black series knife. So what we've got in here is our care and about booklet, just a little bit of information exactly what they've got in store. Here we've got our stamp or pin, Dalstrong Shadow Black series label, which is awesome, great look. Here we've got our little quick and care maintenance guide for people that want to protect and take care of their knife properly as well. And here we've also got a VIP membership just to join for more information and discounts for future. This amazing Shadow Black series knife, wow, so amazing. Look at this, nice and light, nice cover. Just want to take this out, and there you go. There is your Shadow Black series 8-inch chef knife. Supreme, and such a beautiful knife there. So here we've got our exceptional craftsmanship work by the Dalstrong team, our Shadow Black chef knife. How beautiful and pristine does this look? So what we've got here is a titanium nitride coating with a high carbon treated steel. It's super crazy, sharp, it's light and easy to maintain when holding and using your knife. Great grip, not too heavy, and super comfortable to use. So this is 8 inches long, like I said before. Exceptional for a chef knife. Great length, beautiful color, nice robust look. It is 5.6 inches from the handle, from the edge to the tip of the blade here. And it is 1.58 inches from top to bottom here. So the handle is an Angler G10 handle, which gives you a supreme neat look and texture to it. The blade is fully Tang Maximum durability, making it a titanium nitride coating and giving that nice, clean, pristine look. So we have a 16 to 18 degree edge here for a nice, pristine cut every time. So Dalstrong knives are made in the home of China. They make from a high quality custom imported steel using premium materials all over the world, like Germany and Spain. So here we've got Shadow Black series label here, a nice logo here. Just turn it around and show you the other side. So here we've got the Dalstrong logo, beautiful line look. So here we've got the NSF label and the model number, exactly what it is. So there are 350,000 people and chefs included all over the world now hooked on to this amazing brand, Dalstrong knives. There's a wide range of these kind of brands. I've got the Shadow Black series at the moment. That's a personal choice for me. I just love the look of it and the weight that it gives you. Such an amazing look and easy blade to use. Alright guys, so Dalstrong have an amazing wide range of knives sets that you can use either if you're looking for a boning knife, a chef knife, a utility knife, you name it, Dalstrong have it covered for you. So if you guys are keen on these supreme, amazing Shadow Black series knives, or if you're looking for a different type of knife, Dalstrong have got you covered. Check their website out at dalstrong.com, or for social media otherwise, if you want to check them out on Instagram or Facebook, there they've got you also covered. You can see there their full products and information on all their type of knives and branding and products that they've got. So check them out guys. I am honestly so keen to try this knife out and put it to good use. It feels, like I said, amazing. And just the way it looks and everything looks really professional. I think that Dalstrong have done an amazing job with their knives and craftsmanship. So credit to the team, well done to you guys back there. And I'm really keen guys to showcase my videos on this new Shadow Black series knife. Alright guys, so that's pretty much a wrap. There is your Dalstrong Shadow Black Series 8-inch chef knife, brought to you by the Dalstrong team. Just like to give them credit for such an amazing knife and brand they are developing here. Really good and lightweight, good for beginners to use their knife. It's so comfortable, and really enjoy the pristine color black look they've done the coating here, which gives it a great professional look. This review on the Dalstrong video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you next time with another video. Ciao.